Welcome. In this video I will show you what to do if your face recognition scanner on Samsung Galaxy Tab A11 isn't recognizing your face properly. In such case, let's try to set up a new face model on your device, and let's try to do it better this time. So open Settings and scroll down the sidebar down to the Security and Privacy section, open it, and scroll down to Biometrics, right here, Screen Lock and Biometrics. Then provide your current password and select Face Recognition. Tap Continue. And before we start adding a face, let's first use the microfiber cloth for the best experience. But if you don't have a microfiber cloth, you can still use a dry towel, even a paper towel, though I'd recommend just using a dry regular towel to wipe the surface of your frontal camera so that you can clearly see your face in it. And for the same purpose, adjust the lights in your room so that they face you and not your device's camera. And also try to make them not too bright. And once you're ready, select Face Recognition, Continue, and then position your face in the circle you see on the screen until the face is registered. And now before we proceed to the tests, let's also check if the software on this tablet is updated. To do that, swipe down the sidebar to Software Update, click right here, click Download and Install to check for new updates. Of course, you have to be connected to either Wi-Fi or mobile network to check for it. And if your software is up to date, then you can restart your device by pressing the power button for a couple of seconds, and then select Restart, Confirm, and wait until your tablet is restarted. And this way we'll be sure that all the changes applied. So now let's wait. And once the tablet is restarted, let's try to, well, first we're gonna have to unlock it using the screen lock pattern or password or PIN code, and then we can try to test our face recognition scanner by trying to unlock the tablet with our face. I'm not sure if I'm doing that right now because it's just way too fast. I don't believe it actually unlocks with my face. Okay, so it worked the first time. Let's try a couple more times. Okay, let's try once again. And as you can see, everything works smoothly in my case, and I really hope that it does for you too. And if this video helped you, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.